How to cash out Solana on Phantom Wallet. Hi guys, in this video I will show you two different methods with the help of which you will be able to cash out your Solana from Phantom Wallet. So in order to do this, you first need to launch your Phantom Wallet mobile application. Now once you do this, you will be able to see your balance in the top. Now here you just have to tap on the send button in order to cash out your Solana from it. Here you will be able to see your tokens like Solana, Ethereum, Bitcoin, Polygon, etc. So here you just have to tap on Solana. Then it will ask you to provide the address. So it will be the deposit address. So in order to find this address, you just have to launch any of the applications or any other exchanges in which you want to basically send your Solana from Phantom Wallet. So let's say you have selected Binance. So after selecting Binance, you just have to find the deposit address from there and you simply need to paste it in this section. Then you just have to tap on the next button in the top right hand corner of the screen. On the next page, you just have to enter the amount of Solana that you want to transfer, and then you need to tap on the transfer button in the bottom in order to initiate your transfer. Now, once the transaction is completed, you will be able to cash out your Solana from Phantom Wallet, and now you will be able to get it in your another exchanges, which in my case is Binance. Now, the second method of cashing out Solana from Phantom Wallet is by connecting your Phantom Wallet with any other applications. For that, you just have to tap on the browser button in the bottom right hand corner of the screen, and here you will be able to see trending applications like Jupiter, Magic Eden, Radium, Pump.fun, etc. So basically what you can do is you can simply collect your Phantom Wallet with Uniswap or any other applications over here, and with the help of that application you can swipe or swap your Solana into some other token, and you will be able to cash out your Solana from Phantom Wallet. So I hope this video was helpful, and if it was, then don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.